I have trouble staying sober. Take this pain away. This ain't never gonna change your mind. I bet you gonna. Best cause you say I have trouble staying sober. Take this pain away. This ain't never gonna change your mind. Never gonna change your mind.
Members be advised. A street racer has just been reported eastbound past Diamond Park, requesting you to head up.
I get mad wreck when wrecking the concept. Sticking Texas on faking text when they flex. For those that don't know about my flow, let me introduce. I'm anti-truth and packing new shit. I'm 5 feet, 5 inches. I serve the best of lyrics. I come switch, that's why I solo. I be one of the illest, realest, getting busy shorties, rolling with Reggie, smoking, but you're drinking 40. I'm ripping them all like the brain with information when I unleash it. I dust them off like cremation if it's born and soul. Yo, check word wine on my mama in the shit. I represent the East when we get ill, no filthy. All of what you talking ain't gon' get you no win what you see. Murder, haven't you heard it when I be dropping? Cause when I drop my ill style, my style be popping like corn. Word more than you thinking, I wake them up feeling better. With the back to they shit, that's the black back shit. I never roll with roll. When I'm on that ill tip, I only represent my own. DJI, double hour. When I'm in the 30 on AC, and I'm double I. Deep cause y'all can't see me. I be the looniest little ass MC. What then? When I drop my format, I make your brain so flat.